Good morning, students. Today we will start a new chapter, Quadratic Equation. About quadratic equation, it is well known to you. The standard or general form of a quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. This is the standard form of quadratic equation. In ICSE syllabus, there are 3 chapters on this quadratic equation. Number 1, we have to solve the quadratic equation by the method of factorization. Number 2, from the nature of the roots of the quadratic equation, we have to solve some questions, and by using the formula, solution of quadratic equation by formula. Another chapter is quadratic equation problem. Including these 3 chapters, near about 10 to 12 marks question we will get in ICSE exam. Let us start. General equation of quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c. How will it solve? Solution. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. This implies x square b by ax plus c by a equal to 0. Dividing both sides by a, coefficient of x square. This implies x square plus 2 into x into b by 2a plus b by 2a whole square minus b by 2a whole square plus c by a equal to 0. To make a formula a plus b whole square, it is done. First term remains invariant, second term written in this form. This term is taken, subtracted this. This implies x plus b by 2a whole square minus b square by 4a square minus c by a equal to 0. Implies x plus b by 2a whole square minus 4a square b square minus 4ac equal to 0. This implies x plus b by 2a whole square minus root over b square minus 4ac by twice a whole square. Now it is reduced in the form a square minus b square, and we can factorize this by the formula a plus b into a minus b. This implies then a theory is known to us. If the product of 2 factors equal to 0, then they are separately 0. Implies x plus b by 2a plus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a equal to 0, or this implies ax equal to minus b by 2a minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a, or x equal to this may be written in this form. And this may be written these are the values of x, two values of x. Combining together we can write this is the formula. This is the solution of a quadratic equation. X equal to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac by twice a. You have to memorize this formula, solution of a general quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c. Now from the solution b square minus 4ac this equal to d for discriminant. B square minus 4ac is known as discriminant, denoted by d, is called discriminant. B square minus 4ac equal to d is called the discriminant. From this discriminant we can find out the nature of the roots. What is the nature of the roots we can say? If d greater than 0 implies b square minus 4ac greater than 0, then the roots of the quadratic equation are real and unequal, distinct. This is number 1. This is number 2. If d equal to 0 implies b square minus 4ac equal to 0, then the roots of the quadratic equation are real and equal. Number 3, if d less than 0 implies b square minus 4ac less than 0, then the roots are imaginary. Beyond our syllabus. This is beyond our syllabus. Number 3, it is beyond our syllabus. These two property most important for us. Out of these two, number 2, if discriminant equal to 0, it is very important for us. If two roots of a quadratic If two roots of a quadratic equation are known, then the equation is x square minus the sum of the roots into x plus product of the roots equal to 0. If two roots of a quadratic equation are known, then the quadratic equation is x square minus the sum of the roots into x plus the product of the roots. If alpha and beta are the roots of a quadratic equation, then the equation is x square alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta equal to 0. This is very important theorem for a quadratic equation. Let us solve some problems by different methods or types. First time we will solve some quadratic equation by the method of factorization, then some will be solved by the formula find out, and then some problem we will solve by using the nature of the roots, and at last we will solve some problems, quadratic equation problems. Question number 1. Solve abx square minus a square plus b square into x plus AB equal to 0. AB belongs to real number. ABX square minus A square B square ABX square minus A square x minus B square x plus AB equal to 0 implies this. AX common, BX minus A minus B common, BX minus A equal to 0 implies this. BX minus A, AX minus B equal to 0. If the product of two factors equal to 0, then they are separately 0. Therefore, Bx minus A equal to 0 or Ax minus B equal to 0 implies X equal to A by B. This implies X equal to B by A. Answer. Therefore, the solution set for X equal to A by B, comma B by A. Question number 2. Solve for x. Solve 1 by x plus 1 by x plus 5 equal to 9 by 100. Another question taken. Solve this. X into x plus 5, x plus 5 plus x equal to 9 by 100. This implies 2x plus 5 into 100 is equal to 9x into x plus 5 implies 9x square plus 45x equal to 200x plus 500 implies 9x square plus 45x minus 200x minus 500 equal to 0. This implies 9x square minus 155x minus 500 equal to 0. Now, nine into 5 into 100 Now we have to find out the factor. Five into 4, 100, 500, 10 into 5 into 2. This is equal to 180 minus 25, 5. This implies 9x square, 180x plus 25x minus 500 equal to 0. That's equal to 9x, x minus 20 plus 25, x minus 20 equal to 0, implies x minus 20 into 9x plus 25 equal to 0. Then we have to write this theory. If the product of two factors equal to 0, then they are separately 0. Implies x minus 20 equal to 0 or 9x plus 25 equal to 0. This implies x equal to 20 or x equal to minus 25 by 9. Answer. Therefore, the solution set for x equal to 20 minus 25 by 9. Next, question number 3. Solve x by x minus 1 plus x minus 1 by x equal to 1 by 20 . This is another very important type question. X by x minus 1 equal to x minus 1 by x equal to 1 by 2. Let x by x minus 1 equal to a. This implies a plus 1 by a equal to 41 by 20. This implies a square plus 1 by a equal to 41 by 20. Implies 20 a square plus 1 equal to 41a. Implies 20a square minus 41a plus 20 equal to 0. Next, 20 into 20 equal to 400. This equal to 25 into 16. 25 into 16, that's equal to 400. 25 plus 16 equal to 41. This implies 20a square minus 25a minus 16a plus 20 equal to 0. Implies 5a common, 4a minus 5 minus 4 common, 4a minus 5 equal to 0. This implies 4a minus 5, 5a minus 4 equal to 0. Then the same theory, if the product of two factors equal to 0, then they are separately 0. Implies 4a minus 5 equal to 0 or 5a minus 4 equal to 0. Implies a equal to 5 by 4 or a equal to 4 by 5. Putting a equal to x by x minus a, we get x by x minus a equal to 5 by 4, implies x minus 1. 5x minus 5 equal to 4x, implies x equal to 5. Or x by x minus 1 equal to 4 by 5, implies 5x equal to 4x minus 4, implies x equal to minus 4. Answer. Therefore, the solution set for x equal to minus 4, 5. This is very important type question. 3 questions were solved. Next, another type. Question number 4. If four and minus 3 are the roots of a quadratic equation, then find the equation. 4 and minus 3 are the roots of a quadratic equation. Find the equation. Solution. Therefore, the quadratic equation is x square minus sum of the roots into x plus product of the roots equal to 0 implies x square minus sum of the roots 4 minus 3 plus product of the roots 4 into minus 3 equal to 0. That's implies x square minus x minus 12 equal to 0. This is the answer. Another one, question number 5. Find the quadratic equation whose roots are 5 and 5. I will solve this by another method. Solution. Therefore, the quadratic equation is x minus 5 into x minus 5 equal to 0. As the product of two factors 0, then they are separately 0. X minus 5 equal to 0, x equal to 5, x minus 5 equal to 0, x equal to 5. You can find in this method also. This implies x square minus 10x plus 25 equal to 0. This is the answer. Next, by using the nature of the roots, next question number 6. For what value of m the quadratic equation m minus 1 x square plus 2 into m plus 1 x plus 9 equal to 0 has two equal roots. For what value of m? The quadratic equation m minus 1 x square plus 2 into m plus n x plus 1 equal to 0. Solution. Since the roots of the quadratic equation are equal, therefore d equal to 0 implies b square minus 4ac equal to 0 implies b square, that is 4m plus 1 whole square, b square minus 4m minus 1 into c, that's equal to 0. b square minus 4ac implies m plus 1 whole square minus 9m minus 1 equal to 0 implies m square plus 2m plus 1 minus 9n plus 9 equal to 0 implies m square minus 7m plus 10 equal to 0 implies m square minus 5m minus 2m plus 10 equal to 0 implies m into m minus 5 minus 2 m minus 5 equal to 0. Again the same theory, if the product of two factors equal to 0, then they are separately 0. This implies m minus 5 into m minus 2 equal to 0. Answer. Therefore, for m equal to 5 or 2, the quadratic equation m minus 1 x square plus 2 m plus 1 x plus 9 equal to 0 has equal roots. This is very important type question. For what value of m, the quadratic equation m minus 1 x square plus 2 into m minus 1 x plus 9 equal to 0 has equal roots. Since roots are equal, therefore discriminant d equal to 0 implies b square minus 4ac equal to 0. In the position of b and a, b equal to this square minus 4 into A this, C this. We will get a quadratic equation m square minus 7m plus 10 by middle term factor. Factors will be m minus 5 into m minus 2 equal to 0. If the product of two factors 0, then they are separately 0. That is m minus 5 equal to 0 or m minus 2 equal to 0 implies as m equal to 5 or m equal to 2. Next question, we will solve question number 7. Question number 7. By using the formula, we will solve the quadratic equation. Solve by using formula x square plus x equal to a square plus a. Solution: x square plus x minus a square plus a equal to 0 is identical to ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Comparing a equal to 1, b equal to 1 and c equal to minus a square plus a. Therefore, ax equal to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac by twice a. That's equal to minus 1 plus minus root over 1 square minus 4 minus plus 4ac 4 by 2 into 1. That's equal to minus 1 plus minus root over 1 plus 4a square plus 4a by 2. This equal to 1 plus minus root over this equal to 2a plus 1 whole square by 2. This equal to minus 1 plus minus 2a plus 1 by 2. Therefore, x equal to minus 1 plus 2a plus 1 equal to a, or x equal to minus 1 minus 2a minus 1 by 2 equal to 2 common minus 1 minus a by 2, that's equal to minus a minus 1. Answer. Therefore, solution set for x equal to a minus a minus 1. This is the another type. It is also very important type. Quadratic equation solved by formula. General solution of a quadratic equation: x equal to minus b plus minus minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac by twice a, that's equal to putting the values of a, b, c, and then it will be, this will be a formula minus 1 plus minus 2a plus 1, that's equal to x equal to a, x equal to minus a minus a. Therefore, the solution set this x for x equal to a minus a minus 1. Here is the end today. Next, we will solve the problems on quadratic equation. Thank you very much. Here is the end.